Question 7, given that f of x equals x to the third, which equation describes the graph of function g? And note that this is function g. So first off, I am going to graph that parent function. At this point, you probably already know what this graph looks like, but just in case, here's a visual. And specifically, we want to find that anchor point, kind of the point of origin there, right at the point 0, 0. And we can use that anchor point, is what I like to call it. I don't need to graph the whole graph. But what we can do is we can compare it to the anchor point of graph G. And then we can clearly see the anchor point has been shifted right 3 and up 3. So if you know your shift rules, you know right off the bat what the correct answer is. Most students are pretty good. So again, we're looking for right 3, up 3. Most students are pretty good to know that this outer number, this shifts the function vertically. And since we're going up 3, we want it to be a positive 3. The number on the inside shifts a graph horizontally. So a minus 3 or a plus 3. Which one is it? So what we can do, if you know, you already know the answer. If you don't, and even if you're like 60% sure, what we can do is we can graph this parent function. And we can put in first a minus 3 on the inside of the parentheses. Remember, this is a cube root function. And we know the outer number is plus 3. And we graph it. If it matches the g function, we know we've got our answer. And it does. So a minus 3 shifts the graph right 3. A plus 3 shifts the graph left 3. So our answer for this particular problem, I circled the wrong one because we need a plus 3 on the outside. This one right here.